I think working for yourself, you've also got to believe in yourself, and you've got to like, you add value, right? You cost an amount of money, and hopefully you're good at what you do, and you like doing it, and you can help customers, right? And there's a cost for that. It's very easy to think it's a race to the bottom. And when I started this early on, I actually listened to a podcast. It was really good. I can't remember what the series was, but it was about a sort of a freelance mechanical design engineer type of person based in the UK. And they had some success on one of these like freelance register type things, like I was explaining earlier. And I was a bit skeptical, but the podcast was quite compelling. So I tried it for a bit, not super seriously, but I did try it for a bit, and I did do answered a few inquiries for some projects, and I was being really competitive on price, and I was nowhere near. I was just absolutely miles away, and I was thinking, I think I was right. I think this is just a terrible idea. It's just a race to the bottom. So I then got some work, like just through my existing network or through using LinkedIn a bit or what have you. Sort of stood by my rate. It's fine, did a good job. I always like to sort of maybe go a bit extra if possible. Like, I don't know, maybe as you're getting in the project, you realize something's missed. You just do it anyway, or point it out, or refer someone who can do this next bit or what have you, and so on. So yeah, I kind of feel that like I am a rate, but I'm comfortable with that, and I believe I add value, no problem, and I'm happy to be feel competitive at this rate kind of thing.
You're not just factoring just your wages either, are you? I mean, you've got to factor in that obviously you've got this license, you've got this computer system, you've got your travel expenses and things as well, isn't it? So they're not just paying whatever. Oh, I only want to pay them £30 an hour, but
Yeah.
I mean, I listened to a podcast before, and they was talking about engineering, and when they was looking at pricing of the hourly rate or over a job, and then they also come back in the same kind of question was, you send your car into a garage and pay £70 an hour for your car to be fixed. Now,
All day
who,
long.
who
Yeah,
do you see is more
exactly.
worth the money? The people that obviously fixing your car, I mean, they're skilled as well, but or you're racing on the bottom line price on the engineering design work.
That's right. It's a good analogy. Yeah, or like plumbers in London are like £100 an hour now, or pretty much. They're quite expensive. But do you want? I mean, I'm not going to say, do you know what? I'm going to get some £20 an hour thing off the internet I've never heard of to fix my boiler instead, and just like not expect my house to blow up or something. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think you again, you do it right. You do it once.
I've always kind of gone by the saying, it's all pay cheap, pay twice, isn't it? That's
yeah, exactly. Yeah. That's the thing.